Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 3.3. Question number 5. Find the value of first sin 75. You know that in previous class 0 degree, value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree, 90 degree, but not known value of 75. In this chapter, you how will find sin 75 degree. Sin 75 degree value solve with the help of trigonometry identity. So now let us start solve it. Sin 75 degree. 75 degree break up two parts in this way. So now sin 75 30 plus 45 30 plus 45 degree. So now 35 45 degree. So now we know that since sin A plus B, this identity, so sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So now A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 45 degree. Now AB value place AB in place. So now sin 30 plus 45 degree is equal to sin, according to this, sin 30 degree cos 45 plus cos 30 degree plus sin 45 degree. So according to this formula, so now you can solve it. Sin 30 plus 45, so sin 30 cos 45 plus cos 30 sin 45. So now sin 30, value of sin 30, according to this, your trigonometry ratio, angle of trigonometry ratio, so sin 30 value 1 by 2 into cos 45 value 1 upon root 2 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 into cos sin 45 1 upon root 2. Now 1 upon 2 root 2, 1 multiply by 1 get 1, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 and plus 3 root 3 into 1 root 3 upon 2 root 2. Now taking LCM, so 2 these are same value, so root 2 root 2, so divide by this we get 1, 1 into 1, this is 1 plus, so divide by this cancel out, so root 3 or root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So this is value of sin 75 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Learn it this value sin 75 degree root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, this is answer. Second part of question number 5, tan 40 tan 15 tan 15, value of tan 15. So this is not known value of tan 15 but tan 30 45. So break up this part. So now you can write 45 minus 30, 45 minus 30 degree. So this is, now we know that tan A minus tan B, this is formula of trigonometry. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B, tan B. So now according to this formula we can write tan 45, this is A is equal to 45, B is equal to 30 degree. So tan 45 minus tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. According to this formula we can write, so tan A minus B, so tan 45 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30 according to this. So now this value is known and this value is known. Tan 45, value of tan 45 is equal to 1 minus and tan 30 1 upon root 3 upon also 1 plus tan 45 1 into 1 upon root 3. So now taking LCM, so root 3 minus 1 upon root 3, also this taking LCM, so this is also you can write 1 minus 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon root 3. So now value of tan 30 1 upon root 3, tan 45 1 and 1 plus tan 45 1, tan 30 value 1 upon root 3. So now same way you can write, but 1 plus 1 into this. So now taking LCM, so root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. So this is cancel out. So now root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. So now rationalize denominator. So now multiply opposite conjugate. So root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So now root 3 minus 1 whole square upon a plus b, a minus b. Break up this identity, a square minus b square. So root 3 square minus 1 square. So a minus b whole square, this is root 3 square plus 1 square minus 2 times root 3 into 1 upon root 3 square, cancel out, root 3 minus 1. Root 3 square, value of root 3 square 3, 1 square 1 minus 2 into 1 root 3, 2 root 3 upon 3 minus 1, this is 2. So 3 plus 1, this is 4 minus 2 root 3, divide by 2, 2 common out, 2 minus root 3 upon 2. So this is 2 cancel out, 2 minus root 3. This is answer of tan 15 degree. So learn it value of tan 15 degree 2 minus root 2 root 3. Prove that following. Question number 6. Cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to sin. Prove that sin x plus y. Now taking LHS. Cos pi by 4 minus x and cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x and sin pi by 4 minus y. So since cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos A plus B. So this is the identity. We know that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos A plus B. Cos A plus B, formula of cos A plus B is equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. This is now let A, this is B, this is A, this is B. So according to this, so you can write cos pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y. So cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus x minus y. So cos pi by 4 means 4 pi plus pi minus x plus y. So now cos 2 pi by 4 minus x plus y. So 2 so cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. So this is cos, since cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. So lies in first quadrant all value will positive. So this is cos positive value. So pi by 2 due to pi by 2 change ratios cos sin cos. This is cos change into sin. So x. So also sin x plus y. This is RHS. Prove that. Now seventh question, tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. This is proof that 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan whole square. So now taking LHS. So tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. You know that tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. So this is plus, so now plus minus, so this is minus and plus also. So now we can write tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Also in below denominator expand in this formula, so tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So also you can write 1 tan pi by 4 means 45, tan 45 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus 1 tan 45 1 into tan x upon also 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus 1 into tan x. Also you can write 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x upon 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. So now 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x upon 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan. First into last, any 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x, and also so this reverse, so now 1 minus tan x and 1 minus tan x. So you can write 1 plus tan x whole square upon 1 minus tan x whole square is equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. So this is RSS. So prove that. Question number 8. Prove that cos pi plus x cos minus x and sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. Now taking LHS, so now write cos pi plus x cos minus x upon sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x. So now cos plus x, cos 180 plus x. So now cot, this is due to pi, so no change ratio, this is cos. So x, so now lies in quadrant in which, so pi plus x, this is third quadrant lies, so value of cos, this is negative. And cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos minus x, this is cos x, because cos minus x lies in fourth quadrant value of cos no change, so positive sign. And also sin minus x, so lies in second quadrant, so sin pi sin x, this is x, so sin, so pi, there is no change ratio, so sin due to pi 180 plus minus theta, so sin, so this is lies in second quadrant value of sin positive. And also cos pi by 2 plus x, so 90 cos 90 plus x, so due to pi by 2 change ratios, cos sin, this is x, lies, so cos pi by 2 plus x, 90 plus x lies in second quadrant, so value of cos, this is negative. So minus cancel out, So cos into cos, cos square x upon sine into sine, sine square x. Also you can write cos x upon sine x whole square is equal to cot x whole square or cot square x. This is RHS. So proof. That's all. Thank you. Revise it.